Web applications using SQL Server Web Edition require high availability and automated failover to recover from failures. Amazon RDS now supports multi-AWS deployment for SQL Server Web Edition, addressing this need. You can configure multi-AWS for your SQL Server Web Edition instances, enabling high availability for web applications. Amazon RDS automatically provisions a standby replica in a different availability zone and performs synchronous replication. In case of primary database unavailability, automatic failover to the standby replica occurs. This feature allows you to achieve high availability without the cost of using SQL Server Standard or Enterprise editions. Maintaining consistent tagging across AWS environments can be challenging, especially with infrastructure as code, IAC, deployments. AWS Organizations Tag Policies now offers reporting for required tags to address this issue. You can define tag policies specifying mandatory tag keys for resources. By enabling validation in CloudFormation, Terraform, and Pulumi, your IAC deployments are automatically checked against these policies. This ensures that all resources include required tags, improving compliance and governance across your AWS accounts. The feature is accessible through the AWS Management Console, CLI, and SDK, allowing you to integrate it seamlessly into your existing workflows. Managing complex global networks with optimal routing and traffic control can be challenging. AWS Cloud One's new routing policy feature addresses this by allowing you to optimize route management across global networks. You can control traffic patterns using advanced routing techniques like filtering and summarization. The feature lets you customize network behavior by setting BGP attributes for resilient architectures. Additionally, you gain enhanced visibility into routing databases, enabling faster troubleshooting of network issues in multi-path environments. These capabilities provide fine-grained control over your global wide area networks, improving performance and reliability. Amazon OpenSearch Serverless users face challenges in securely accessing and managing their resources without exposing them to the public internet. The new AWS PrivateLink support addresses this by enabling private connectivity between your VPC and OpenSearch Serverless. You can establish private VPC connections, eliminating the need for public IP addresses. This allows you to access the management console securely through private links. You can create private link endpoints using various AWS tools like the Management Console, CLI, SDKs, CDK, or CloudFormation. These features combine to provide a more secure and private way to manage your OpenSearch serverless resources without relying on public internet access or complex firewall rules. Migrating from SAP ASE to PostgreSQL often requires manual effort for complex schema conversions. AWS DMS Schema Conversion now addresses this challenge by supporting automatic conversion from SAP ASE to Amazon RDS and Aurora PostgreSQL. You can convert database objects automatically, leverage generative AI for complex code transformations, obtain detailed assessment reports, and plan your migration efficiently. This feature simplifies the migration process, reduces manual work, and helps you transition to PostgreSQL databases on AWS more effectively. As organizations grow, managing access to S3 buckets becomes complex, requiring frequent IAM or bucket policy updates. Amazon S3 now supports Attribute-Based Access Control, ABAC, for general-purpose buckets to address this challenge. You can use tags to automatically manage permissions, eliminating the need for frequent policy updates. You can create IAM policies that reference bucket tags, allowing you to grant access by simply modifying tags. To implement ABAC, you can enable it using the S3 Put Bucket ABAC API and manage tags through dedicated APIs. You can also enforce consistent tagging standards by requiring specific tags during bucket creation. This feature simplifies access governance at scale and is available across all AWS regions at no additional cost. Organizations face challenges ingesting data from SAP systems that lack change data capture or don't support ODP. AWS Glue now offers expanded Zero-ETL capabilities to address this. You can ingest full snapshots from SAP entities without CDC and load incremental data from non-ODP entities. This allows integration with Amazon Redshift and SageMaker's Lakehouse architecture. By supporting diverse SAP environments, you can reduce engineering effort and operational complexity in building custom data pipelines. The feature is available in all regions where AWS Glue Zero-ETL is supported, enabling flexible data ingestion strategies across various SAP applications. Accidental deletion of EBS volumes can lead to data loss and downtime. The new Recycle Bin feature for EBS volumes addresses this issue. You can now recover deleted volumes directly from the Recycle Bin, eliminating the need for snapshot restoration. This reduces your recovery point objective and maintains full volume performance. You can set retention periods for deleted volumes, allowing recovery within that time frame. Recovered volumes retain all attributes, including tags, permissions, and encryption status. You can create retention rules to enable Recycle Bin for all or specific volumes using tags. This feature is available through the AWS CLI, SDKs, and console in all AWS regions.